days have been crazy. It's been raining. We've had Christmas. By the way, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm sure this video will reach you during the new year. Wow, I don't know where to begin. There's been a lot of activities at Movie Farm. Right now we are dealing with chicken. So there are new methods that have been shown. So today we are going to clean the chicken coop. So this chicken was constructed some years ago. The ventilation is not so well, so it's dark inside. Something that I need to change. I've realized the other side does not have the wire mesh of the windows, so also we need to change that. And there's a small chicken coop on this side that has some good ventilation, but it's smaller. This one is dark. The ventilation wasn't done as well. It was the first. There's been a lot of renovation and extension, so I think we messed up at some point, which we are going to correct after the rains, and that's 2024. It's a huge house. Houses about 50 or so of chicken at a time. We are not doing the chicken commercially. Then it's not for commercial purposes, just for home use. So we try and keep them as few as we can, because we don't want to run into diseases. So the coop is very dirty. I brought with me some sawdust because of the rains and the floor is very wet. So I needed to clean the coop, and then we pour the sawdust and we do the deep litter method this time round. So I will encourage the deep litter method. We also have some charcoal. So I've watched a few videos on charcoal, and I think I'm well encouraged to start using. So we've not been using charcoal before on chicken. So we are going to grind this, or we need the powder form of the charcoal, and this charcoal is going to be mixed with the chicken feed, and it will help in change in egg production. It will also change the smell of the chicken coop. When the chicken feed on this, their litter will not smell anymore, and it is also good in disease control. So let me show you this other chicken coop so we are going to do a video before and then a video after. It's quite a mess, I must agree, but then we have to start somewhere. So the chicken coop is very dirty, and because of the ventilation, there is water running off because of the rains. The walls are wet, and we have spillage of water from outside, and therefore the chicken are cold at night, though there's no chicken that sleeps here actually. Sometimes the goats do. But we feed them from here, so yeah, it's a big mess, I must agree. But then the chicken look healthy. You can see the chickens are healthy, but yes, for disease control, this is quite a mess. We have 3 hens currently brooding. Each has about 10 eggs. We've lost quite a few. I think there's a dog that eats them. We've not identified which one. And then we have the small chicks. Let me just have a few of the small chicks. We have, how many of these ones? About 10 or 12. They are healthy. They are nice and healthy, though I see they have, so they have this which we need to treat. The insects. They are infected, but they are healthy. They are fed. Yeah, but we need to do some cleaning, and we need to treat this. So yeah, it's quite a mess, but we will sort it out. I need to show you how the water is spilling. But yeah, the coop is quite wet on the hillside because of this. So we need some good drainage so that we don't have the water spilling inside the chicken coop. And on this side we need to increase the ventilation, so either extend the window, or when we're extending from this end, make a window on this end. And also the coop doesn't have enough light, so we might bring, because we have electricity, we might bring in artificial, like the bulbs and stuff, for them to have that warmth during the rain season. The area is quite hot, so I'm not worried that if they are cold or not, because it's quite hot. It's quite a hot area. But I'm thinking the sawdust will improve. So let's do this. Thank you for tuning in. We will give you a clip after we've done the sawdust, and we will do progress. We'll give you another video after feeding them the charcoal, and we'll see if the egg production will increase. But thank you for tuning in to Mbuvi Farm. Let's grow together. Thank you so much for your support. Please share, like, and subscribe if you've not subscribed. And Happy New Year and happy 2024. Bye bye, my loves.